Hey y'all, Iric Sky here, and this is a before refinishing my deck, before painting my deck. You can see I put in this wood filler, and you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find the wood filler like I used. But pressure washed the decks, scraped and sanded the spots that were coming up. You can see it was gray paint previously. And what I've done, I've moved all my junk over to the side. So today I'll just paint up to here, and then that lets that stuff stay over there. And then after I get the second coat on this and it dries, then I'll be able to move my junk, move my junk back over here. See, this part was hardly ever walked on, so a lot of it didn't pressure wash off or or need to be scraped or sanded. So I'll get my blower out, blow it off, and then after I blow it off, man, I'm gonna paint it. So this is just the before the painting. I'm gonna want you to see the after. You'll have to comment below and tell me what you think. Is this a do-it-yourself project that you would do to save a buck or few? And when I say a buck or few, probably if I was gonna pay someone to do this, I would probably be spending a few $1,000s. Since I just bought the paint myself, I'm spending a little bit over $200 US. So not bad, just takes time and effort. Hey y'all, Captain Iric Sky here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Iric Sky. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.